handtruckstogo.com. Count on us to keep you rolling.
Liberator Convertible Hand Trucks by B&P Manufacturing. B&P Manufacturing manufactures two different series of Liberator convertibles, a standard duty line and a heavy duty line. The convertible hand truck is a hand truck that can operate in two-wheel mode or four-wheel mode, and it has two different ratings, but they are all assembled with extruded aluminum frame rails. We assemble them with 1600 psi rivets. All of our steel components are powder coated. One-piece heavy-duty lock latch construction. All of our wheel brackets are the same wheel brackets, are the same ones that we utilize in our Liberator two-wheel hand trucks, which are lifetime guarantee. They come with 1045 carbon steel axles, and all of our casters are smooth rolling TPR non-marking casters with a wing brake, so you can stabilize your load if you happen to leave your convertible unattended and you don't want it rolling away. The modular design allows you to add accessories and features to it. You can add folding noses. You can also add solid or perforated aluminum decks to it. It's available in 12-inch widths or 18-inch widths, which prevents small objects from falling through the frame. We also offer stair climbers on our senior models only. So if you are traveling on steps or steep surfaces, again, the stair climber is a nice addition to this. If you don't want to add a permanent or a snap-on deck, you can also add wings to these to increase the frame width to give you just a little additional capacity for hauling large boxes and offering stability. The standard convertibles both come in junior and senior. The standard two-wheel capacity is 500-pound capacity, and it goes to 1,000-pound capacity when laid down into four-wheel mode. It uses the same components and construction as the heavy-duty line. Again, you can add your choice of nose plates, wheels, and accessories. The heavy-duty convertibles, again, same construction other than there's some additional cross members. The junior goes up to 4 cross members instead of 3, and the senior goes up to 5 cross members instead of 4. The extra capacity allows you to be able to haul a heavier load, more stable and safer. Again, it goes from 600-pound capacity in two-wheel mode, 1,200 pounds in lay-down mode or fully deployed mode. Some of the convertible accessories you can add to it are folding noses, both tubular and extruded. The tubular nose is a really nice add-on if you're hauling like boxes of potato chips, lighter weight products. It does have a lower capacity than the extruded one, but it does have a little bit lower profile. Over on the right, you can see the two different versions of either permanent or snap-on decks in either perforated or smooth. Get you for 12-inch width or 18-inch width. The nice thing about the perforated ones, or the ones that we've punched the holes in, it keeps the weight down. It also helps grip a box, a cardboard box that you would put on there, so you don't have to worry about the products, sliding off. It does a nice job locking those in. You can also add stair climbers, either cast or extruded stair climbers, on our senior convertibles as well.
If you have any questions, please feel free to call us toll-free at 888-811-5941. Okay, that's it for now. This is Bob again, thanking you for stopping by handtruckstogo.com and wishing you a great day.